मैंने उसका जवाब सुनने पर जोर दिया। I strained to hear his reply. I strained to hear his reply. कोई नहीं आया है। Nobody has come. Nobody has come. बैठ जाइए। Have a seat. Have a seat. बोतल का ढक्कन लगाओ। Cap the bottle. Cap the bottle. इसके अलावा apart from this, उसको दर्द हो रहा है। She is in pain. She is in pain. बाइक से कितना समय लगता है? How long does it take by bike? How long does it take by bike? आंखों में खुजली हो रही है। My eyes itch. I have itchy eyes. My eyes itch और I have itchy eyes. क्या उसने हमें यहाँ बुलाया था? Did she call us here? Did she call us here? मैं दोपहर के खाने में एक रोटी खाता हूँ। I have one chapati for lunch. I have one chapati for lunch. सच में 8 बज गए या मेरी घड़ी तेज है? Is it really 8 o'clock or is my watch fast? Is it really 8 o'clock or is my watch fast? मुझे आज रात के लिए कुछ पैसे चाहिए। I need some money for tonight. I need some money for tonight. सबसे पहले फ़ोन करना मुझे सही लगा। I thought it best to call first. I thought it best to call first. अब उसका भविष्य तुम्हारे हाथ में है। Now her future is in your hands. Now her future is in your hands. यहाँ पर माहौल काफ़ी गर्म है। Here the situation is pretty heated up. Here the situation is pretty heated up. उसके दिमाग में गोबर भरा है। His head is filled with trash. His head is filled with trash. कभी खुद भी आना चाहिए सब्जी लेने, रोज तो माँ ही आती है। Sometimes we ourselves should buy vegetables as our mothers do every day. Sometimes we ourselves should buy vegetables as our mothers do every day. हम पता लगा लेंगे। We will find out. We will find out. इसे मत छोड़ो। Don't leave it. Don't leave it. हाँ, बिल्कुल। Yes, of course. Yes, of course. कुछ मत बोलो। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. सीधे होकर बैठो। Sit up straight. Sit up straight. क्योंकि बैठने के लिए जगह ही नहीं है। Because there isn't anywhere to sit. Because there isn't anywhere to sit. एग्जाम वाले दिन मेरे पेट में खलबली मची हुई थी। I had butterflies in my stomach on the day of the exam. I had butterflies in my stomach on the day of the exam. समय बीत गया। Time went by. Time went by. मुझे कब्ज है। मुझे कब्ज है। I have constipation. I have constipation. तो किसका पीछा करूं? So whom should I chase? So whom should I chase? मैं बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में हूँ। I am in a deep mess. I am in a deep mess. मैं तुम्हें परिवार से बढ़कर मानता हूँ। I consider you more than family. I consider you more than family. अब से तुम्हारे पति के इलाज की जिम्मेदारी मेरी है। From now on the responsibility of your husband's treatment is mine. From now on the responsibility of your husband's treatment is mine. इसे वहां रख दो। Keep it there. Keep it there. नहीं, तुम जल्दी आए हो। No, you are early. No, you are early. मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? Where to go? मैं इंतजार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait. I can't wait. वो जितना कमाती है उतना खर्च भी कर देती है. शी स्पेंड्स द होल ऑफ हर अर्निंग्स. शी स्पेंड्स द होल ऑफ हर अर्निंग्स. इस बार उसके नंबर खराब आए हैं. ही हैज गॉट पुअर मार्क्स दिस टाइम. ही हैज गॉट पुअर मार्क्स दिस टाइम. तुम्हें ये सब करने की परमिशन किसने दी? Who gave you permission to do all this? Who gave you permission to do all this? क्या मुझे देर हो गई? Am I late? Am I late? मैं सुन रहा हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. मालिश करवा लो. Get a massage. Get a massage. मैं पक गया हूँ. I am fed up. I am fed up. नहीं, मैं 10 बजे तक सो गई थी. No, I went to bed by 10. No, I went to bed by 10. मुझे नाचने दो. Let me dance. Let me dance. Actually हम दोनों तुम्हें मिस कर रहे थे. Actually we both were missing you a lot. Actually we both were missing you a lot. फिर मिलते हैं. See you again. See you again. एक कटोरी सूप चलेगा. A bowl of soup will do. A bowl of soup will do. इसका स्वाद अच्छा है. It tastes good. It tastes good. जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ तो लगता है वो कुछ और ही सोच रहा है. When I teach, he seems absent-minded. When I teach, he seems absent-minded. तुम घर पर रुककर घर के काम करो. You stay at home and do the chores. You stay at home and do the chores. मुझे चलेगा. Fine with me. Fine with me. अब हम क्या करें? What should we do now? What should we do now? वह सोचता है कि हम जाना नहीं चाहते. He thinks we don't want to go. He thinks we don't want to go. दम है तो हमारे सामने आओ. Come before us if you have the guts. Come before us if you have the guts. सिंक हमेशा जूठे बर्तनों से भरा रहता है. The sink is always full of washing up. The sink is always full of washing up. दरवाजे के बगल. By the door. By the door. अपने पतलून की चेन खोलो. Undo the zip of your pants. Undo the zip of your pants. ये काम कर रहा है. It is working. It is working. तार पर कपड़े डाले हैं, उतार लाओ. Get down the clothes hanging on the line. Get down the clothes hanging on the line. वो बहुत बीमार है और लगता नहीं कि बचेंगे. He is extremely ill and not expected to live. He is extremely ill and not expected to live. आटा छान लो. Sift the flour. Sift the flour. आज सुबह मैं कुछ देर तक लगातार खांसता ही रहा. I had a coughing fit this morning. I had a coughing fit this morning. Hone your talent. अपनी कुशलता को दोष रहित बनाओ. Perfect your skill. Perfect your skill. वो इससे बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है. She is not at all happy with this. She is not at all happy with this. दरअसल मैं किसी और को फोन मिला रहा था. Actually, I was calling up someone else. Actually, I was calling up someone else. खाना बन गया है, रिया को बुला लाओगे क्या? Dinner is ready. Can you get Riya? Dinner is ready. Can you get Riya? मेरा इंतज़ार करो. Wait for me. Wait for me. थोड़ा नमक और डाल दो. Add a little more salt in. Add a little more salt in. हम यहाँ माल लूटने आए हैं, है ना? We are here to plunder the goods, right? We are here to plunder the goods, right? मैं चलूं? Shall I go? Shall I go? अगर तुम फ्री हो तो मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूं? Shall I give you a call if you are free? Shall I give you a call if you are free?
मुझे देर हो जाएगी. I will be late. I will be late.
मैं तुम्हारे बहाने सुन सुनकर पक गई हूँ. I am tired of listening to your excuses. I am tired of listening to your excuses. हम कहाँ हैं? Where are we? Where are we?
मैंने उसे फेल कर दिया. I failed him. I failed him.
माफ करना, मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है. मैंने पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया है. Please excuse me, my stomach rumbling. I haven't eaten all day. Please excuse me, my stomach rumbling. I haven't eaten all day. गलती से आपका नंबर लग गया. I dialed your number by mistake. I dialed your number by mistake. ये बुरी नज़र उतारता है. He can nullify the evil eye. He can nullify the evil eye.
अपनी कमीज के बटन खोलो. Unbutton your shirt. Unbutton your shirt. जहाँ गलत लिखा हो उसे सही करो. Correct your mistakes. Correct your mistakes.
तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do you want to be? What do you want to be? आपका बेटा कक्षा में ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देता. Your son doesn't pay much attention during the class. Your son doesn't pay much attention during the class. दिन पर दिन हालात बिगड़ते जा रहे हैं. Things are deteriorating day by day. Things are deteriorating day by day. ध्यान से देखो, वही होगा. Look properly, it must be there. Look properly, it must be there. समय तो देखो, 6:30 बज रहे हैं. Look at the time, it's 6:30. Look at the time, it's 6:30. हिम्मत मत करना. Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
वह 10 मिनट में वापस आ जाएगा. He will be back in 10 minutes. He'll be back in 10 minutes. मुझे ऑफिस जाना है. I have to go to the office. I have to go to the office.
लेकिन तुम मेरी परेशानी समझ सकती हो, है ना? But you can understand my problem too, isn't it? But you can understand my problem too, isn't it? जब भगवान देता है, छप्पर फाड़ के देता है. When God gives, he gives in a miraculous way. When God gives, he gives in a miraculous way. कभी कभी अपनी कॉपी चेक नहीं करवाता. Sometimes he doesn't get his notebook checked. Sometimes he doesn't get his notebook checked. बहुत खुजली हो रही है लेकिन मैं कर नहीं सकती. It itches a lot but I can't scratch. It itches a lot but I can't scratch. तुम नहीं समझोगे. You won't understand. You won't understand. हर समय थकान सी लगती है. I feel tired all the time. I feel tired all the time. घंटी बजने ही वाली है, बस थोड़ा इंतजार करो. The bell is about to go, wait a little while. The bell is about to go, wait a little while. तुम्हारे पास मोबाइल था पर तुमने खो दिया. You had a mobile but you lost that. You had a mobile but you lost that.
आप यहाँ पर कितने समय से रह रहे हैं? How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
तुम टीवी कब कब देखते हो? How often do you watch television? How often do you watch television?
मैं पूरी बात भूलना चाहता हूँ. I want to forget the whole thing. I want to forget the whole thing.
चल कहीं बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go out somewhere. Let's go out somewhere.
मेरे लिए मंगल कामना करो. Wish me luck. Wish me luck.
मुझसे बताया गया. I was told. I was told.
मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं है. I am not at all hungry. I am not at all hungry. आपको कॉन्सर्ट कैसा लगा? How did you like the concert? How did you like the concert?
बर्तन छोड़ दो, मैं सुबह कर लूंगी. लीव द वॉशिंग अप, आई विल डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग। लीव द वॉशिंग अप, आई विल डू इट इन द मॉर्निंग। कैसी थी? हाउ वॉज इट? हाउ वॉज इट? उसने तुमसे क्या कहा? What did he say to you? What did he say to you? मैं साझा नहीं कर सकता। I can't share. I can't share. ये मुश्किल है। It is tough. It is tough. यह ज़रूरी है। It is important. It is important. मैंने ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं किया है। I have done no such thing. I have done no such thing. क्या मैं खा लूं? May I eat? May I eat? मुझे मिल गया। I have got. I have got. मेरे पेट में थोड़ा दर्द है। I have got a slight pain in my stomach. I have got a slight pain in my stomach. मैं शॉपिंग करने जा रही हूँ। I am going shopping. I am going shopping. मेरे लिए सबसे ऊपर मेरा देश है। I value my country above everything else. I value my country above everything else.